You believe in yourself and rock. In today's video, we are going to talk about operator. In this video, we are going to see the operator introduction and we will know various type of operators. Okay, this is the introduction video. So first of all, our topic will be operator introduction, and then we are going to know various types of operator. Just an introduction as an introduction. In upcoming videos, we are going to see one by one each operator's types. Operators are basically symbols. Operators are symbols that are used to perform that are used to perform some specific operation on operand, or we can say variables or variables and values. Basically, the operands, I'm going to tell you operand, then it will be clear. That is not different than variables and values. That is basically a variable and values operand is. Okay. Suppose that with an example, I'm going to explain you that. Suppose that A plus B, or I'm writing 5 plus 3. Then this symbol plus addition symbol is operator. These 3 and 5 are values. Then these are known as operand. Basically, these are operand. Here, these are variables A and B, and this is the operator. And these are the variables, and these variables are known as operand. Okay. So basically, operators are the symbols that are used to perform operations on variables, a specific operation on variables and values. Basically, this symbol is going to perform addition of this number, addition, but this symbols will going to perform subtraction. This is going to perform a multiplication. This is going to give us remainder, uh, and this is going to perform division. We will talk about it, so you don't have to worry. Okay. And there are various operators like bitwise operator and XOR, various things we are going to see. Assignment operator plus is equal to this is also symbols and is going to perform some operations. Minus is equal to, these are basically assignment operator type. Comparison operator less than equal to. There are various operators we are going to see one by one, but operators are the symbols. You have to keep in mind that the operators are the symbols that are used to perform specific operations on operands, or we can say that variables and values. And it's time to talk about variables. It's time types of operator. Let's see types of operator. Types of operator. First one is arithmetic. Arithmetic operator. Then assignment operator. And third one is comparison operator. Comparison operator. And fourth one is logical operator. We are going to see one by one, so you don't have to be worried about anything. And bitwise operator. And few more are there. So basically these five are the main and most important operator which we are going to use many times. So we are going to see types of operator as one by one. So you don't we have to be worried. We are going to know everything, each and everything we will know as we are going as we will complete the series. Then you are not going to say that something you missed, sir. Okay, we are going to get everything. We will know everything. We will cover everything. Every topic will be covered. So you don't have to worry. Just you have to be keep patience and you have to cool and you have to work and you have to just follow. Okay. So in today's video, I told you that we are going to know about operators and types of operator basically. I'm going to tell you about each these ones in separate video. So you don't have to worry about this. For arithmetic operator, I will made a separate video. For assignment operator, assignment where is basically, I will make another video. Comparison operator, for I will make another video. If there is any spelling mistake, then just ignore it. Okay, just you have to comment, and you have to comment in the comment box that they on this line this word you have missed, spelling the error is sir, and then you have to just ignore it. Okay, we have to focus on the concept and learn the things. Okay, so in this video this much, and in next video we are going to see each and every operators, and with examples we are going to see, so you don't have to worry. So thank you so much for watching video.